TC Teardrops, living life by the drop.
Hi, this is Todd with TC Teardrops. My wife and I have owned TC Teardrops since 2008 when we started it. And since 2008, we have not made a major design change. We've come out with different models. A year ago, we came out with the Adventure Edition, but still in the teardrop line. But then we decided the market's asking for something else. Our customers are asking for something else, just a tad bit bigger. So we came out with the Terrain. We call this one not a teardrop. We don't call it a square drop. We call it the Terrain because it's all in its own class. The Terrain is going to be something all new design for us since 2008. We went with the 5-foot sides. Still can't stand up in it, but you can sit down inside of here. I can sit 4 grown adults inside at the table. You're still going to keep it on the simple side of you're cooking outside. There's a side table that comes over onto the spare tire, and then we've got a table off the back. So that's a major change for us. This is still the identical platform of the Adventure Edition. So there are no changes between these. Same length, same size, same tires, wheels, same axle, everything. We just went with a taller body and squared it off. You can see starting from the front, we've got the toolbox on here. We can still put the platform on, carry a small motorcycle or a lightweight adventure bike on here. No roof rack on top, although we can put one up there. I'm running 600 watts of solar on here, so we're putting a 180 awning plus another Rhinorack Dome 1300 off the back. But we are going to be putting 270s on here too. As you can see, we've got the propane tank. Here we'd have a table with a stove on it. We've got a shower room here. We've got a Rhinorack awning here. We can put a room on it. 10 gallons of water only on here right now, but we can add as much water as we want, really. We do keep all of our water external because we want to keep that storage inside for us. Set up on 235, 75, 15 Falcon trails. 3500 D-rated axle on this with 10-inch electric brakes. This is our standard Lippert doors. They're on a friction hinge, so they'll stay open anywhere you want. What's nice is also we've got the screen door here. That'll be our standard door. So inside we'll still have the fridge, it's on slide, so it's easy access. The stove sits in here, it's on a slide, it comes out, easy access. Silverware drawer, and you'll sit your stove outside and still cook out here. But on the other side over here, we can have a porta potty inside. We've got the Max fan. The new Max fan comes in, something new for them, and works out perfect for us. So we're gonna run the Max fan in here for a little more ventilation on top of our fans that we already have. We got plenty of storage in here. Doubled the capacity of the storage of a teardrop. You'll see storage is all up underneath the bed, all the way to the front of the trailer. Right now we're set up to sit with 4 people in there. I'm carrying 200 amp hours of lithium underneath the right-hand side here, right on top of the axle, to go along with my 600 watts solar on top with a 40 MPPT controller. The first step, this for the 4 seating, takes a little bit longer to do for the 4 seating, but all I do is I take these cushions, I drop them down. I take your board here, it just comes up, drops in place. This is going to come forward. This is going to flip back. And now we're in the kitchen. We're in just the 2 seating area. Or, if you want, as Carol and I use, we just use it as the couch. So we sit here with the 2 dogs up here. Through the iPad on the table, we sit here and watch the whole Packer game last Sunday at a campsite. But then you just have your pillows here and you can just... And what's nice about it is when this goes from bed to couch, there's a space behind there at the bottom. All we do is we take the fitted sheet, leave all of our blankets, everything on here. We undo the fitted sheet at this end, we roll everything up, and it goes behind there. and folds up into a couch. So with doing that, now when we pull it back into the 2-seat, into a full bed, we just unroll the bed, put the fitted sheet on the corners, and you're done. You're ready for bed. So now we're sitting at the 2 position. We've got the couch out. It's time for bed. All we're gonna do is real simple. We're gonna pull the table off the top. I usually just take it and lay it down here, like that. This comes off like this. This loosens up real quick. Comes out like that. Take your 2 cushions, one from each side. Try not to get in the way. So then you'll take this up. This comes in, drops in place, just like that. Goes like that. Push down on this, and now we have a whole bed area. When we're talking right now, the way this trailer sits, I'm at 150 pounds of tongue weight, and I'm at 1,900 pounds empty without any awnings or anything on it. The way I'm sitting right now, I'm at 2,200 pounds on the axle and 150 on the tongue. But trust me, once you load up, your tongue weight's gonna bump up to about 200 pounds, 250 right in there. So that's putting your bikes up here and your gear. I can shift axles around, depending, I talk to the customer, and that's where we rearrange a few things to make sure you always have enough tongue weight. Also, when you go on our website, you're gonna see we don't hide our prices. Everything's right there. So when you go in there and build this trailer, you can actually build it, see your price where it's going. You don't have to email me or anything. You can get the price point that you need to be. This trailer actually starts out at $16,000 and works up from there. But you'll find at $16,000, it's coming with quite a bit of stuff. Go to our website for any more information, TCTeardrops.com, and look up the terrain or any of our teardrops.